Hi, my name is Amanda Caleb, and today I will be talking about some of the findings from my usability study. In the study, I compared two spreadsheet software, Google Sheets and Apple Numbers. One of the tests I performed for this study was the capability of the program to perform linear regression. For the purpose of the task, I used information on the number of trips taken to different store locations. I compared the earnings, size, and number of employees to see which was most directly correlated to the number of trips. In Google Sheets, I input all of the data into a spreadsheet. I then went into the Add-ons tab, and I selected the Analysis Toolpack. Upon selecting the toolpack, I clicked Start. Within the toolpack, there are many options for mathematical performance. Within the options, I selected Linear Regression. It opened this box where I should input all of my data. To input the Y range, I highlighted, starting with the title and all the way down at the table, and placed it into the Input Y Range box. I then highlighted the title of size and ran over employees, earnings, and selected all of that data to add into the X range. I checkmarked the box that said there were labels included. For the output range, I selected some open spaces down below. This is where the data will be placed after the test has ran. After inputting all of my data, I selected OK. Down below the data, the outputs displayed from my test. As you can see, there are important values such as the R-squared value, the coefficients of each of the values, and their p-values were displayed and easy to find. After testing Google Sheets, I performed the same task in Numbers. However, after searching through the program and researching, I realized that Numbers does not have the capability to perform the task. From the study, I was able to conclude that Google Sheets is the superior program because it has more features and can perform complex mathematical problems. Thank you for listening.